Do you like Domino's stuffed garlic bread? If yes, then this video is for you. Here is my take on the same. In lukewarm water, mix yeast and sugar together and leave it for 10 minutes. Start by mixing flour, salt and oil. Then add yeast mixture and start by combining everything together. At first, it will be little messy, but it will come together. Knead the dough while adding warm water as required. Apply some oil and cover, then rest for 2 hours at least. Well, now once the dough doubles, take it out, knead it for 5 to 6 minutes. Cut out a dough ball and flatten it in an oval shape with the help of a rolling pin. I have shared garlic butter recipe in the caption below. Apply a good layer of garlic butter followed by mozzarella cheese, corn and jalapenos. Now place it on parchment paper layered with cornmeal and tuck it from all the sides. Once done, apply some more garlic butter, sprinkle some seasoning and make cuts using a sharp knife. Bake this in a preheated oven for at least 40 minutes at 160 degrees. Take it out and serve it hot with mayonnaise or ketchup. You will love it. It's soft from inside and cheesy.